Banka Yensiona, Company ya Multiplex Limited hamwe na Ditaco International Trade and Construction JV omukwezi kwa katano mwaka gw'2021 kahebwa umurimo gwo kurengutisha to muri Mbarara City ezo Major Victor Bwana Road, Gold Road hamwe na Stanley Road ahaburinga bwa kilometers 2.36 okwezo mwaka gumwe ahabwe mpiha zo kurenga billion 2.3 mu sente za Uganda okurengutezo na kuciremere kwecuru kubasa kuretera mataho nagagona gaferwa billion 17 omwezo wa karisharisho wa government Dr. Patricia Achan Okiri yarukhendera umurimo gwo kurambara umurimo gwo kurengutezi ayorekere ngo urugendo rukikire nuko kushaba ba Multiplex hamwe n'abakuru ba USMID okushobora cyarize umurimo gwo.
Right now we are remaining with basically 2 months. We have seen that some roads are tarmacked and up in Ushoroza half is tarmacked, half is not, but the contractor has given us assurance that he's able to do the tarmacking in 2 weeks time. What we are worried about is basically the road pavements, the walkways. The walkways are not yet done and the street lights have not been put.
Konka twayetegereza ngo omulimo ujya habicweka 55 aharigana ngwenu tibuka kwiri hashari yebicweka 25 aharigana ibiri kwenda ngo bihwe kandi ibyo bicweka ebyo najye ne bicweka biri kwetenga esente ibiri kwetenga mani ibiri kwetenga abantu kubikora najyo bikaba
muri Mbarara City umurimo ukozwe guri habicweka 85 harigana kandi berarishirire ngo babasa kuferwa billion umushanje za kubire nuzikore bitara okumaririzo buhanda bw'ebigere okubyaremeti hamwe n'imifereje ya mizi
twashanga ngo umurimo hato n'kwetaga mu okugira mu amani menshi mukora abantu bongeraho amani umbantu abarabe bakora kugira ngo tubase kweza
twana hamwe mu kutosha abafitiro bwire burengwa twarira umwanya mbarengwa tushiga baratokutira hamwe rwese marumu rwogu teko kwa na mana mengi muno kumekinga shua bombo kwabo senzizagaka
Kampuni niye mwene ikora n'izindi nguto urumuno rwacinjinya tindo bacero mu intunga mu municipality hampi hazur kurenga billion 11 bine no gundi umurimo gwo gukora izindi ngutisha to muri Kabare municipality aharimo rwabwa nkosa Bushwekere Road hamwe no rwa Rusoroza kuza Kabara ha diocese ahabwe mpi hazur kurenga billion 21
Multiplex emirimo iba kugihereza cyo kubanza tiri kugibasa icya kabiri abaha center okuhe kwato umuntu umwe utari kubasa bakamuha emirimo ena erimuza billions nyingi kandi atine nangwa no kugira ngo asab contracting kandi at the same time tayine capacity yo kubiheza mbwire nyo nje kugira ngo ejo cluster method no mashomere karema no munguto yarema kandi bagaraka bakiriza umuntu umwe atari kubasa bamuhereza imirimo 5
letaga kongera bw'amani aretaga kongera bw'abakozi aretaga kureba mwenu yakorekiro no mushana kwena gweje mweze yasigarayo abase kwezi
Serunku Masamo General Manager wa Multiplex ayorekire ngo bakahikabagera mu buremezi bwo butagira bintu birukwemarira ubwanyuma yo kuhebwa tenda bitaraganise ngo baza kweze mereme giona omyeze biresigireyo.
Immediately we finish the service ducts. I think this is going to be the simplest walkway because it's going to involve concrete pouring, add concrete pouring, and we promise that this can take, say in 1 month this can be done.
Amakuraga gashakwa Fred Turyakira.